Beautiful day here in Myrtle Beach. 70 degrees. I'm in 1006 South Hampton. New listing. 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, lockout. Overlooking the pool area. It's an ocean view. Also sees the lakes and tree-lined view of the plantation. Beautiful time of day. Look at that sun coming in. This is one of 3 decks. This comes off the guest bedroom and off the living room here. Behind that wall there is the lockout, and that has its own private deck. And on this, behind this wall, is going to be the master bedroom, which also has its own private deck. Coming into the living room, you're going to see LVP flooring. Always in nice condition, well decorated. Dining area. And as we come into the living room, one of the things I want to point out, a lot of people always say that the mirrors kind of make it feel a little bit 80s-ish. I'm trying to get the glare out of there. But as you can see, it just gives you the view of the ocean right through there. And I'm sorry, probably just all that sunshine is just not allowing my camera to focus in. But it's just a beautiful view. So you pick up that view of the ocean as you're coming from the kitchen. Here I am standing back by the entry and so forth. So that view of the ocean is always in the room. Down the hall this way will be the guest bedroom and lockout and 2 of the bathrooms. Here's your main entry here. Coming into a kitchen, new cabinetry, granite countertops, lighting, stainless steel appliances. Very workable kitchen. And again, all that glare that you're seeing in the mirror right now, from the naked eye, that's all ocean. All the bedrooms in Southampton are quite sizable. This is the master. Goes onto its own private deck. Tile floors in the bathroom. Double vanity with a knee space for makeup area. Linen closet. Shower tub combination. Down to the main entry, of course. You've got washer dryer here. Guest bathroom, cabinets done, granite, new mirrors, lighting, faucets, glass enclosure, again on the tub shower combination. Straight ahead is the lockout. We're going to make a right turn to bedroom number 3 though. And how about this for the size of a bedroom number 3? Just wonderful size. Goes on to that double deck that we were standing on when we first started the video. Now coming into the lockout, and you're going to see double door lockaways. One door right here in front of us here, and another door just on this side right here. So those lock away right here so that you can rent or use it as a 3-bedroom. Rent both the 1-bedroom and the 2-bedroom separately, as these folks do. Keep the 1-bedroom for yourself and rent out the 2-bedroom. Completely up to you on what to do. This is completely self-sufficient, has its own entry, phone line, air conditioner, balcony. As you can see here, just sits with a lovely little balcony looking right out over the ocean. And again, a great size room. Kind of a hotel concept with this, but heck, nowadays you're not even seeing hotel rooms this size. Again, but this is the entry exit. So this is 1006, where we are right now with the lockout. This is 1006A. And then, of course, into the bathroom, cabinet, granite done again. Everything here. This is your heat pump, of course, behind the louver. Guest bedroom. Guest bathroom. Coming back to the entry, to the kitchen area, of course. Master bedroom, and then the living and dining room. Great room. And right on onto that deck. So again, 1006 Southampton, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, ocean view. Give us a call.